The NeuroDesign Entrepreneurs Workshop is a way to teach the biodesign process in a short amount of time over the course of a weekend. It's focused on neurotechnology.
There are great training programs out there for entrepreneurship, but this is the only one in the country that we're aware of that focuses on neurotechnology, and we've catered our program exclusively to those types of professionals and researchers.
The idea initially was to expose students to commercialization, and the idea is really true that entrepreneurship can be learned and it can be applied to any area of life.
The best thing about this experience so far has been meeting people from all over industry, from all over the world who are interested in the same goal, which is trying to make neurology better for patients, and gives me a lot of hope that neurology is going to be so much better.
I would say the workshop has been phenomenal. We're so focused in our research that these elements that are important to a business are kind of black boxes. This workshop has really shed light onto how to navigate that and what that actually means.
This program is unique in that we take a project-based approach to training. We organize cross-functional teams. They get to interface with experts from industry. That level of richness is very unique in this space.
It's really unique in the sense that it's not about walking away from this weekend with the best widget. It's about learning the process and understanding how to take that process to really build something that's better.
What participants in this program get exposed to is something that isn't commonly integrated into the academic training. This program fills a really impactful niche and something that, maybe even as faculty we can take back to the companies and universities that we're a part of and kind of try to integrate that into those settings as well.